Are you ready to see the magic of Indian sculptures, the repository of micro carvings? Panorama view is not discovered now. Be ready to witness 800 years old stone carvings with panorama view. Have you ever saw an optical illusion done in stone sculptures? Do you believe there are musical steps which produce musical notes? Welcome one and all. Today we are going to see the temple which is 800 years old, built on 12th century by Rajaraja Cholan II. He is the great grandson of great Rajendra Chola. The shrine name is Periya Nayaki Amman Sameda Airavadishwarar Alayam in Darasuram village near Kumbakonam. This temple incorporates a chariot architecture. This temple was designed by a horse and an elephant pulling the chariot. To our surprise, horse, elephant and wheel are not sculpted in a single stone. They were sculpted as different pieces and joined as stacks, which made to wonder on technical skill of the sculptor. This temple has been divided into various mandapam. Raja Gambiran Thiru Mandapam, designed in the form of chariot. This design seems to be a precursor of Konark temple. This mandapam has 8 pillars which have mythical Yali, which is more unique. Yali is a mythical creature with a face of elephant, body of lion, ears of pig and tail of cow. Mostly, Yali are the symbol of Pallava architecture. It is very surprised to see Yali in Chola's temples. Next one is Mukha Mandapam. There are 4 pillars in the Mukha Mandapam and it have the carvings of the Skanda Purana, that is the history of Lord Muruga. Totally there are 48 sculptures with 12 on each pillars. There are lots and lots of unique sculptures in this temple. Do you believe the stone steps will produce musical notes? To the surprise of all, there are stone steps which are singing. Yes, when we hit the stone steps in Agra Mandapa, it is producing the musical notes Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. These steps are such a mysterious which cannot seen anywhere in the world. Not only Cholas associated with the architecture, they are also merged in music. Another mind-blowing sculpture is Rishabha Kunjam, an optical illusion done in stone before 800 years. You can see horse and elephant in same sculpture. If you close the left side of the image with your right hand, you can see the animal ox in the sculpture, and vice versa, you can see the elephant sculpture. Actually, the architect made this sculpture with a 2 animal body and with the same head in single sculpture. This shows his extreme talent of doing an optical illusion before 800 years in a stone sculpture. There is a statue of Valli, who is wife of Lord Muruga. She is a tribal woman who used to wear nose stud. The architect made a minute hole in the nose of this sculpture. To show this minute hole, the stick is placed on it. And there is a epic sculpture. A fat woman who violently strikes her husband by pulling his hair, and the crying expression of her husband in pain was sculpted with style. It clearly depicts 1,000 years long tradition of husband beaten up by the wife. And also we can see the sculpture of Sarabeshwarar, a furious man, eagle and lion. Also you can note Narasimha Murthy surrendering to him in his feet. In southeastern temple wall we can see Ardhanari Surya. People heard about Ardhanarishwarar, that is Lord Shiva and Shakti in a single body. Similar to Ardhanarishwarar, this statue is Ardhanari Surya, Lord Surya and his wife in a single body. We are able to see the Surya rays in the back side of this statue, which is a unique one available only in this temple across the world. Is Ardhanari Surya, as Lord Surya and his wife in a single body statue can be seen only in this temple. And there is a stone wall made with a lot of holes for enormous air and sunlight. This is also a unique wall which is not seen anywhere across the world. Are you ready to get dizzy? Here you are. There is a statue of Kannappa Nayanar, one among the 64 Nayanars, who is a hunter and lived in the forest. Considering he is a forest man, the architect made a footwear to him, which is carefully cut and smoothened. So if you see this footwear adapting to the modern fashion technology, it is very surprised to see 800 years old architect competing with the current modern fashion technologies. You can also see the statue of delivery done to young lady by elders. This statue shows in earlier days deliveries are done in standing pose too. There is a beautiful unique sculpture which shows the love between Shiva and Parvati Devi. Mostly, kings will took unique statues from the land they conquer in the war. There are lot of unique sculptures in this temple. Amman with the swan in her hand, Ganga Devi with the lotus in her hand, Lord Saraswati without Veena, Nagarajar. These are some of the best unique statues in this temple. You can also witness there are lot of minute carvings everywhere in this temple. Micro carvings are done in steps, top of the wall and also in the pillars. The most exciting micro carvings are dancing Vinayakar, Manmada releasing Kama Bana to Shiva, girls doing gymnastic, mermaid in the sea, Nandi Devar, Shiva Parvati, Yogi in meditation, Lord Shiva's standing pose, Lord Shiva dancing pose, a monkey fooling hooded cobra, musician playing the unique instrument Keralan Malavu, Rama killing Vali. Usually in modern technologies too, sculptures are done in soft limestone or in a marble stone. But Dravidian artisan sculpting styles was done on granite and basalt stones. It needs more expertise and tool design. It needs better knowledge in stone selection and craftsmanship. Note it, all these micro carvings are done with only chisel and 10 fingers of the architect and not with any other modern technologies. One more carving which made us very dizzy. We believed panorama view of scene discovered in modern technology and in DSLR cameras, but that is not true. This carving shows a girl dancing Bharatanatyam along with a co-girl and Naradar playing Veena. While she performing Padmasana in Sirasasana and rotating her leg from right to left, that is in clockwise direction, which is captured in panoramic view in this sculpture. This sculpture shows how she is moving her leg to up slowly and doing the Padmasana in the top and coming down to the ground slowly in yoga, which is captured in panoramic view. A philosophy behind this temple is Nitya Vinodam, means be happy every day, every time. The perpetual amazement. We can see lot of carvings with Nitya Vinodam. A dance of Shiva in full enjoyment, laughing and enjoying Budaganas with Hasya Rasa, which means enjoying the comedies. Dancing girls with musician, enjoyment of women in day-to-day life. And most important highlight of this temple are the sculptures of 63 Nayanmars and their life stories from the mesmerizing Periya Purana. Thiruñana Sambandar defeating Jains, the story of Shakti Nayanar, Karaikal Ammayar going to Kailasa by her head on ground, story of Adipatha Nayanar, story of Kalaya Nayanar are the epic ones. This temple has a water tank which is connected to Kaveri river. The local mythology narrates how Airavata, white elephant, was restored with clean white skin after he took a dip in this tank. This is the storehouse of art and architecture. The original name of Shiva is Rajarajeshwarar. Airavata is a white elephant which is the Vagana of Lord Indra. This elephant color got changed to black by curse of sage Durvasa. and so it came to take bath in this temple tank. After elephant took bath, it was regained its natural white color. Then obviously the temple name called as Airavadishwarar temple. It is also believed Lord Yama took bath in this tank. Lifestyle based sculptures, themes surrounding women warriors, humor in the domestic life of common man are all the part of Dharasuram micro carvings. Dharasuram is 6 kilometers from Kumbakonam district, which is very near to Tanjavur. One must visit this temple at least once in a lifetime if you have a bliss of Almighty. This is Madurai Ramakrishnan signing off. வான்முகில் வாழாது பெய்க மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் கோன்முறை அரசு செய்க குறைவில்லாத உயிர்கள் வாழ்க நான்மறை அறங்கள் ஓங்குக நற்றவும் வேள்வி மெல்க மேன்மைக்குள் சைவ நியதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம். ஓம் நம சிவாய்.